5 days at sea.
It's a stunning day in Las Palmas this morning, and we of course are doing boat work because that just seems to be what we do. Now these here, I didn't film it last when Shane was doing it, but in Cadiz I think he's put on the clutches. And this is for our tack line for the whatever we're hanging off the bow, past all of the mess. So here you can see where it attaches, and Shane is going to do something with this tack line. He's coming in the dinghy. I can't remember what he said. He was worried about it the tack line chafing on the wires for the nav lights. So you can see the nav lights are right on the bow there. It's our dragon head, and there's some splicing or something that needs to be done. Here he comes. I'll ask him. Now, this is the tack line.
It's the tack line.
And you're worried about it chafing on the nav light wires.
Yeah, this one. Because when I set it all up, because it was all the diameter of the sheave or not big enough to send the rope below where the nav light wire goes through the longeron. Well, I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, it's a bit
I
hard
just
to see.
gotta check it. So Ollie, if you want to grab red halyard for me, and attach it to the tack line, so we put some tension in it. I can have a look. Let's see.
So that clutch back there, one clutch you put in is for this tack line, right?
Yep.
What was the other clutch in there for?
The tack of the storm jib.
Oh, that's right. You good, Ollie?
Yeah. Are you all waiting for me? The engine right there.
Where do you want to go?
There, what you want me to do?
Yeah, clip it onto the orange one.
Okay. Do I unclip the carabiner hook from the
Yeah.
orange one? Alright.
Pull a little bit more tension on that tack line, Ollie. Yeah, do it on the tack line, it's a bit easier. It's 2 to 1. That's it. Cool. I was smart. I should have run it through that hole there. But to do that, I've got to unsolder wires. So I can either unsolder wires or try and glue stuff. I wonder if I can. Can't see it, it's all dark shadows, but in there's a nav light that just misses the goes around the tack line rope like that. Maybe you can see it from down here. Anyway, this is the yell snout. Bye bye. Put the screws in and call it a job done.
So today's gotten pretty windy, so Harry and Tad have gone off in the dinghy to get ourselves a spot on the marina, but the entrance to the marina is pretty tight from what we've seen, so it's going to be all fun and games.
You guys look wet. Huh?
I haven't. Shifted forward. Okay. Yeah.
Hey Dad, why aren't you standing by? Right, you got it?
Yep, got it.
Hang on, watch out. He's hanging on to the rope.
Go for it.
Oh, nicely worked. Nicely done, boys. Like pros.
Soaking wet from that journey. We surfed a big wave into the marina.
Did you?
Voila!
And who was
Soaking wet.
steering?
Me.
Of course you were.
How about explain why everyone's wet? Ollie. Yeah. You do know how big the waves are. Yeah, you were driving.
Yeah. They were.
Just because I was driving it. Oh yeah, Harry, by the way. See that yacht there? Yeah, I know. It used to be in front of us. I know, I went right by it.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, plenty of room. Plenty of room on this side. Lots of room here, just
Yeah, I'm just going to sit in the middle while the kids get ready.
we're going to be right there where all the boat building's going on. Somebody's going to be in seventh heaven.
Alright, you put down the middle fender.
Pass those to me. Cheers.
Thoroughly scared out from just how close that wall was.
Yeah. That's a pretty small piece of reflective tape to be cutting.
Yeah.
Where's that one going?
So this is going on the car, goes on the head car, so when we have our head torches on and we look up, we can see where the head car bottom bit is where I want it to see. So I'm making a reflective stripe on the bottom of the head car that will line up with a reflective stripe that'll be on the mast, so that when we're looking to get the thing on the lock, not only will we have our visuals with the marks on the halyards, we'll also have a visual on marks on the mast. So if for some reason our halyard marks aren't working, we can always go back to a visual reference with marks on the mast. And yeah, it's a at night thing to know where it's at, up and down.
Words.
Words.
Come.
Words.
Right, let's go and film it. Are you going to put it on now?
Yeah, so I'm putting it on the car. I put the two little side bits on the car already. Diana's going to get grumpy because she didn't film that when I did it before, but now we're going to put the hard little bit of "Hey" on there. Okay.
So now you've got a reflective
Now I got a
top
reflective bottom on my head car.
And then so are we going to put something up the mast?
Yeah, so I'll be going up the mast and I'll put a stripe that goes from here around here.
On top of the mast?
At each reef point.
Oh, okay.
So I've got the marking, the reflective tape on here, which will line up with reflective tape on the side of the mast here, but at full hoist, first reef, second reef, third reef. And what that does is it gives me a visual in the dark. When I'm at the hoist, I know that my car needs to be, this reflective tape will need to be over the reflective tape on the thingamajig. Then I pull the trip line, so this line here actually goes through the sail. This gets pulled down, which pulls a pawl in here, which goes into the mast. I pull that goes down, and as it comes down it goes clack, and it locks on, this then locks into the mast, and then I know I'm on the lock. Super high tech.